Welcome you all. You know, I'm sure there's many unboxings of this particular item, but you know what? I just received it in because I'm going to try it out and see if, hey, if it'll work for me in my situation. I'm replacing a Bose system and the cat is hitting the camera stand here. Crazy cat. I'm going to replace the Bose system that I have on my computer system and try this out and see. And here's Pepper. She's wanting to say hi to everyone, and hopefully she doesn't knock the camera over when she's getting dirty. So we're going to open this thing up, see what's inside, and then we'll hook it up and see how it works. So here we go. Got my handy dandy knife. Works just great for this. All right, we got our manual. So this is, if I didn't tell you, this is the Klipsch ProMedia 2.1 THX system. So it's got two speakers with the subwoofer. Let's see if I'm going to be able to open this up. Oh, yeah, I can. Second, I may have to flip it over, but okay, we don't need that. Here's one speaker. Okay, it's all wrapped up. We'll unload everything and then unwind it all. Why they wrap the wires up in bags is, I don't know. But, okay, what's this? Got little feet. Looks like little feet with 3M little stickies on it. Okay. Out on the road. Don't need that. All right, subwoofer's coming out. Oh, well, it's gonna come, actually. There we go. Box out of the road. This already is coming off, so I'll just take it off. Let's do it. So this is the sub. Get this wrapping off if we can. Well, it looks as though we have just a power cord right here. Okay, why do that? Don't know. All right, so we got the power cord. This is what it looks like. Port, there's the sub. I believe it's a 6.5 inch, I think. I don't remember. So we'll see how it works. All right, so it looks like we got left and right channels, of course, and then a preamp input that comes from the speakers. There, all right, let's try for this guy. All right, so this looks like the main speaker right here that drives everything. So let's look at what we have. All right, so here's your audio cable. That's going to hook up to, well, in my case, my computer. So that's going to go there, and I'm assuming, you know, this is either left or right. I'm not sure how they made that. Okay, I don't know. Here's the preamp cable that'll hook in that little jewel right there. Well, there's nothing really too scientific about this, so let's unwrap this one here. Like I said, why are the cables wrapped up? I don't know. All right, so this guy hits to the other satellite speaker. So this satellite speaker has no controls on it whatsoever, because the other one controls the volume. I'm not going to open that because why? You can figure this out. All right, we will get it hooked up and show you how that goes. All right, so here's what I got going on right now. So I got this old Bose system sitting here. This is a home theater system that I acquired with the subwoofer sitting down here. That big subs, a couple of satellite speakers sitting up there, and another one sitting over there. And so I'm gonna replace this, hooking up to my gaming PC. I'm gonna replace this system with this other one. We'll see how it goes. So unfortunately, my desk is not really big enough for me to put the satellite speakers up here, so I'm not sure how I'm going to handle that yet, other than maybe I will mount them on the wall right over there, and then mount one right there, and that way I can, as I'm sitting here, I hear both sides. Actually, I'll be like back here. So, I don't know yet. For now, I'll probably just set them on the desk and see how it works, or maybe even set it behind the desk to see if you can even hear it back there behind the desk. The sound may just bounce around the monitors. So let's bring the stuff in here and get it hooked up. Don't think I'm gonna unwind that whole thing since I just need to go down to the computer. So there is a left and right on this. Left and right. So this is going to be the right side, so we're going to plug it over here. Let's wire this up around the back. And then I'll have to tie it all in later on here. Hello, girl. Okay, so the wires have... Move. So the wires have a little red stripe on there. And I would say that's probably... I'm going to use that for the positive, and this one's going to be for the negative. So, actually, it could be wrong. But we'll try it and see how it works. It's probably the other way around. Knowing them, red doesn't mean go to positive. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, push the little tabs down, push the wires in. Simple process. Run this other cable around. And why the heck? You can only put it in one direction. It says warning. Please insert in this direction only. You can't put it in another way. Oh my goodness. Ooh, heard that. All right, tighten those down so they don't come off. Okay. We got power appearing on the top now. Can you guys see that? Let's see. Yeah, okay, you can. All right, so you got power up there. I'm going to unhook my Bose system now, so that's right back here. Unplug that cable and plug in the new audio cable to the same spot. Hey, Pepper, move. Okay, I'm gonna go get the other speaker. Move, move, come on, get down, get down. Okay, fine. All right, well, it is all hooked up right now. I won't be able to play music because of copyright, but let's see how it works when maybe I start up a game, or I'll play one of my own YouTube videos. That's what I do. That's what I'll do. Right back. All right, we'll play
2 minus 10,
Starlight.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have liftoff.
Surprisingly, it sounds pretty good.
Check pressures now.
All right, we're more than 30 seconds into flight. Telemetry showing 33 out of 33 engines as it's pitching down range.
That was only on about a quarter volume. Right now, my computer volume is set to, I believe, 100% to the output.
Starship arc into just endless blue skies right now.
Vehicle supersonic.
It does get very loud.
The vehicle supersonic.
All right. So that sounded pretty good. Now I'm going to actually do a test with some music. And let's see if I can find some music that is not copyrighted. I'm going to try to find that. So hang on a moment. So this is music by Pixabay. And it's supposed to be royalty free, so we'll see how it goes. I'm running this up about 3/4 and it sounds pretty good. Oh yeah, it's rumbling. It actually rumbles pretty good. I can feel it in my chest and all that. I used to compete in sound systems and my cars that I had when I was younger and stuff, so I had some high-end, equipment and whatnot, so I can appreciate some good sounds. It has good high sounds in the upper speakers here. I believe these come off. Yeah, so you can see I got the tweeter up here, a little mid-range driver there, so it looks pretty nice. It's nice that you can take those off if you want to do that. There is, looks like headphones in and then a music out. So if you want to, or I'm sorry, not headphones in, but that's headphone jack. And then like a line in if you want to hook maybe your phone up if you have a line jack, which they don't do that anymore, or another piece of equipment you can hook up directly to that. So overall, got a hair on there. Overall, I am happy with this. It seems to do pretty good. Not near as good as, that little jewel down there. But it does pretty good. There's no doubt. But, we're talking that Bose system is $1,000 compared to this Klipsch, which is only, this thing was on Amazon, I believe $120 I got it for. For $120, I don't think you can go wrong with this. Seriously, I don't think you can go wrong with that. Now, I did buy this. I'm not sponsored, so this is just my own personal review. And I know the system's been out for a while, but it still rocks, still does good. All right, thanks for watching.